your park reservations. Once you are logged in to your My Disney Experience app, if you haven't, it'll show right here. If you're not logged in, it'll say, you know, log in or sign up. Once you've done that, you're going to go right over here to this My Disney Experience. Go down to My Plans. Oops. I guess I wasn't logged in. Here we go. One sec. Okay, once again, go to My Plans. And then you're going to scroll down, and it may take a second to come up. And then this is what it's going to look like. So it's going to show, if you have not already linked your reservation, you need to do that here. You'll use your reservation number. If you need that, just let me know. And then once you're linked and everything, you're going to go right over here to make a park reservation. Once again, make a park reservation. You will create your party, so you will add anyone that's going with you. As you can see, all my friends and family here. So you can click however many you want. Continue. You're going to select your day, scroll over to the right month, your first day, and then it'll show you which parks are available. So then you're going to select a park. Say you want to go to Hollywood Studios. And I have an annual pass, so this is as far as it'll let me go, but it would just be a confirmation screen. You have to click a box that says, yes, this is what I want, and then you would confirm. And then on the bottom, there will be a little button that says make another reservation, and you'll just repeat that for every day of your park ticket. If you have any other questions, just let me know.